Welcome to the Polyprofit YouTube channel. Because of what's going on in the world today, we are unfortunately locked down. Because I can't do what I usually do, let's get on top of the stuff that we already have. So, let's just get stuck into it, huh? What do we have? This is cool. It's not high end, but I'm sure I could sell that. So this bucket here is for things I want to keep. This is for processed cords. This is low grade cords. Plugins are going to go there. Yeah. Let's just get started. Alright. This doesn't work. I tested it. She doesn't work. So plugins and also scrap. Plastic. Where is plastic gonna go? Plastic will go in its own little bucket. Plastic. Plastic is there. Okay. Let's do this. Yeah, so the restrictions have thrown a bit of a spanner in the works. I mean, we'll get through it, but it's definitely not ideal. USBs. I don't know why I'm keeping these. I'm not really into gold recovery, but I'm still going to keep them. Am I supposed to chop this out? If any of you legit scrappers know, can you give me a heads up? Because I think I should cut it out. Whoops. Cords. Another USB. A bungee. Might come in handy. Oh, this. If you've seen in the previous episode, I picked this up. It's a Henry Boker little tool set. Henry Boker. Hopefully the light is good. How would this come out? This way? There you go. Acts as a handle, but also as a what do you call this? Whatever this is called. Henry Boker. Oh, I like it. I like it. This might actually stay with me. Maybe. Chrome menu, Henry Boker, Henry Boker. Is this Henry Boker? I don't think this is part of the set. But she can stay. So this is pretty cool. I really like the look of this. Anyway, keep. Tool. This is interesting. I've never seen anything like this. What size these are? Doesn't say. And it's like on an angle. Interesting. Zerum. Drop forged, made in Germany. Yeah. I'm not sure what that is. Like, I know what it does, but I've never seen one like it. I've never seen one like it. Very interesting. 11/16. 3/4, 11/16. These tools I'll probably lot up. If I don't need the tool, if I don't have one already, I'll probably lot them up and sell them as a lot. Zip ties are handy. S-hooks are handy. Okay. This looks like a custom tool that someone needed to modify. Tools. Wire, are these wire strippers? Wire cutters, whatever. These. Koyama. Made in Japan. Cool. Oh. Aluminium. Okay, let's move it right along. Whoa, there's a custom tool. Welded. Interesting. I hope that you can see, because I don't want to sit outside in the sun. It's very hot today. Screws might come in handy. More screws. Oh, these are cool. These are good. Keepers. A pen. More zip ties. Oh, this thing. It's got a decent heat sink. The transformer is riveted on. I'll leave that over there for now. I'm not sure what to do with that. Whether I break it down further, don't know. Don't know. Why is the cardboard in here? Cardboard. Tools. Hey, look at this. Look at this. There you go. There you go. Brass. Yes, we like brass. Some random tool. Tools. Okay, let's move this right along. Tools, tools, tools. More screws. Tools, 1/2 inch. What are you? Brackets. I mean, you could sell those, but will I? Probably not, to be quite honest with you. Tell you what, we'll put that in there. We may scrap that. Stanley knife, also known as a, I don't know what it's also known as, I just know it as a Stanley knife, which is a brand. I don't know why we call this a brand name. There's other things that we call a brand name as its name, like a gurney, a water blaster, we call gurney in Australia, but gurney is a brand name. Another useless fact. Some randomness here. Random tools, tools, tools. sockets, Allen keys, sockets, 12. These always go missing. More Allen keys, more zip ties, newspaper. Vevor blue steel. These are nice. They feel nice. It's too bad they're bent. For cutting hair? Maybe. More zip ties. Tools, tools, tools. Brass. Tool. And the rest of this I might tip out. Okay, this is what we really got in here for. We need to break this down. It's getting too much. I got more over there. It's just time to make a start. Yeah, lockdown is annoying, as I said. I can go out if I wanted to. I have a permit because waste management is classified as a essential service. So if I wanted to, I could, but it's only a 5-day lockdown. I thought I'd just wait it out. A Nokia charger, I won't. No. Don't worry about the Nokia charger. If I had the space and the time to keep some of this stuff, like Nokia chargers, I might, but I don't. As you can see, there's stuff everywhere. So, oh no, what am I doing? I'm mixing. You go there. You over there. That's better. This is low grade, mid grade. I do keep a lot of cords, like laptop chargers, printer, power supplies, and I sell them online, especially Apple products, but not all of them. I don't keep all of them. I can't. How could I possibly? Plastic. I think I'll just cut these into the bin. This looks like a printer power cord. This is so short. Is that short? No, that's not really short. Guess what? I'm not keeping it. Samsung charger. No. Just more clutter in the house that we don't need. I'm kind of minimalist. I'm kind of minimal. I don't really like a lot of things in my house. That doesn't look like it's true, but it is. This is work out here. Oh, this one I might keep. You, I'm keeping. Car chargers? Nope. What is this? Wow. It doesn't feel like a cord, but it is. You know what? Low grade. I don't want to chop it all up. low grade. Oh, messed up. What am I doing? This is in the wrong spot. Let's move you there. That there. That's better. Nokia, another Nokia charger. Oh, these are from my e-waste pickup. They're all e-waste. I remember now. Yeah. I pick up from a computer repair store, computer repair shop. And yeah, they were throwing all this out, but wanted to recycle it, do the right thing. Jeez, I'm a bit slow. It's been a while since I've done this, actually. What is this? She's a Panasonic. Probably for a telephone, home telephone system thing. USB. Video camera. Don't see a brand name. TDK. Oh, wow. Maybe keep. Maybe. No name. These have a ding in them. You probably can't see. And it's affecting my cord cuttage. E-waste. So not even going to bother testing that one. Whew. It's pretty warm, but it hasn't been a hot summer, to be honest. It's been good for the garden because they haven't been belted by heat waves of 30, 30, 40, 40, 30, 30 degree days in a row. There hasn't been that this year, which is good, I guess. What is this? Sensor. Plastic. Low grade. Stripped plastic. Nasty. So yeah, I'm very new to scrapping, so a lot of this I'm just sort of winging it after watching YouTube videos, especially of like e-waste Ben and that. It's basically where I got my education from. Wow, it's warming up. But yeah, I resell full-time online, and I do this as like my hobby, really. Recycling seems like the right thing to do. And there's so much waste on the sides of the road in Australia that I couldn't just drive past. I had to rescue things. It's treasure, really, because a lot of it I can resell or recycle for money. So yeah, that's what I do. My neighbors probably think I'm crazy. There's just bins everywhere. My trailer's always full. Not right now, but you know, it's always something in and out of the trailer. I don't know how long I'm gonna last out here. Yeah, so I'm not an expert at any of this. I'm learning as I go. And it's just fun, eh? Like, I'm very much like my dad. He, although he's not into scrapping, he keeps things, well, he knows the value of a lot of things. And, Like he taught me that I would look at something, or my mum would look at it and say, "Why are you keeping this rubbish?" And he'd be like, "It's not rubbish." And for a long time, I was on mum's side saying, "Dad, I can't play outside. There's stuff everywhere." He had a lot of cars, so there's car stuff everywhere. But as I gotten older, I understand. There was a lot of value in what he was holding on to. I think his problem was getting rid of it. When it came time to get rid of it and make the money out of the so-called money that it was worth, make the money out of it, he just never did. I ended up putting a lot of his stuff online on eBay to sell for him. And yeah, he liked that because he got money out of it. But it was always, oh, it's worth more than that. Old Ford bonnets and stuff like that. But yeah, he kind of taught me not to be afraid to get down and dirty like this. People would think, why are you touching all that rubbish? They don't see the value, I guess, where I do. And I'm not afraid to get dirty. That's me. Okay, chords. It's a smorgasbord of chords. That looks good. Okay, we haven't done this bin. Why do I make these videos? I kind of want to document the journey, really, and maybe help someone along the way that's thinking about doing this. They can learn from my mistakes. But it's fun. It satisfies that creative itch, making videos. You use I don't know which side of the brain, but you use one of the sides, your creative side of your brain, which I guess is healthy. But yeah, most of all, it's fun. Okay, I'm getting faster. cat. What is that? Low grade for me. I don't want to faff about trying to trim it off, trim it down. Yep. Oh, the Nintendo Wii. Maybe it's story time. Story time. Let me tell you about the first time. Oh, as a kid, I remember my dad used to it didn't matter where we were going. We could be going to school or just around the corner to the shops. But every time he saw a pile on the side of the road, he would pull over, and I would just beg and plead him, please, Dad, don't. Do not do that. Don't. It's how embarrassing. And he never listened. He just carried on with what he was doing. He didn't care what people thought about him. But here I was, ducking in the back seat, or ducking low, trying not to be seen, as my friends might see me. But I still remember that. So it's because of him. Because of him. He's alright. The heck is that? Plastic. Mm-hmm. Good. That looks good. Good. This is basically done. These, I need new snips. It's got a ding in it. I don't know if anyone's going to enjoy. Actually sit down and watch this. But these are the kind of videos I like to watch. I like to usually I'd have my phone, maybe even there, sitting there, and while I scrap. I don't know if anyone else does that, but that's usually what I do. Sometimes I learn just the little snippets from the scrapping conversation I could use, I could learn from. Okay, what is it? This is all just scrap. Scrap. Cool. Alright. Thank you for your service. Oh man, I'm gonna have to scrap this chair soon. Cheap Kmart chair. Plastic. Oh my gosh, that all missed. There you go. Okay. Let's move along. We have this bad boy. you know what? Here you go. We're getting there. How do I get through? Oi, oi. Okay, we did it. I don't know what to do with these. I've just been scrapping them. So, budget. Anyway, yeah. Polyprofit. If you're wondering, that is just a play on words. I spelt it like prophet, like Muhammad the prophet, but it actually means profit. Making money, getting some value. Profit. What is the definition of profit? Let's search. Profit. A financial gain, especially the difference between the amount earned and the amount spent in buying, operating, or producing something. Advantage or benefit. There's no profit in screaming at referees from the bench. So gaining an advantage or benefit from something. That's what the profit is. That's what the profit is. So that's the story behind that. Also, actually, I just thought it sounded cool. So why I'm getting carried away here. This is low grade, and I keep putting mid grade in there. What is this? Okay, that's low grade. Am I supposed to take all this off? Probably, eh? Fine. It's just all tangled. Get off. Sometimes it's not worth messing with. What is this? Output 19 volts. So this is a laptop charger. So we might keep this. If I can get it out. Guys, oh my gosh. What the hell? Profit, yes, and poly, well, I'm assuming it's obvious, but it might not be, but poly is short for Polynesian because I am Polynesian. I don't know if you can tell. This is not Aztec. Yeah, I've been here most of my life in Australia, but I identify as Polynesian. Hence, polyprofit. And that is why polyprofit. Oh, that is budget. Budget as. Hey, we got him. Okay, let's probably a keeper. We'll try to test that. You can always count on chords. There's my new saying. Chords are the best. Chords are easy. And right now, chords are valuable. Their scrap value is high. The highest it's been for a long time. So I've heard. That's what everyone's saying. That's what everyone says. Sometimes I keep these if they're really in good condition. But dirty ones like this, I just scrap. Oh my gosh, it's a Sony one. Why did I do that? It is what it is. PlayStation 2 AV cable. Just as I said that. What do you know? What can you do? Should I be keeping these? I don't know. I haven't been. But if I'm supposed to, let me know. Battery went flat. We're back. We are back. Crisis averted. This is coaxial. I may end up just fast forwarding this, like running it in double the speed. It's all new to me. The scrapping, the making the videos about scrapping. It's out of my comfort zone, but somehow I'm enjoying it, and I love it actually. I feel like I'm growing. You know what I mean? Oh my gosh. Jeez. These are mid-grade, right? I hope they are. If not, they look like it. From a distance, that looks good. But if they're not, in the future I will treat them differently, or handle them, process them differently. Oh my gosh, there's so many of them in here. Oh my gosh. The heck? This bin is full and I want to empty it. Let's do that. Mid-grade. Cords galore. Get in. Little tentacles everywhere. Boom. Keep pushing.